think this should have been a lock? I was just in shock. Like the ride's already testing after like someone had a seizure on it. They're like trying to reopen it already.
Jusque dans mon repère. Pauvre fou. Fuyez.
Oh, I just got soaked.
It's crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's like ridiculously intense for a kid's ride.
Jeez.
Is that better than a Firechaser Express, you think?
It's more comfortable, but Firechaser's wilder.
You think Firechaser's wilder?
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
So then I like this one more. Down
Yes.
I go, neighbor.
That transfer track.
No, I prefer Firechaser. But that ending is really good backwards.
The backwards section is way better on this one than on Firechaser.
Yeah, the backwards section is amazing on this.
So much speed there at the beginning for the brake. Like you could have done like a helix, you know?